Hello, my loves. Welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. My loves, if you're ready for these easy 2-hour locks, you guys stay tuned and I'll show you just how to get these done. Subscriber of the week goes to, and I thank you. Okay, loves, let's get right into it. My hair has been up for 3 days. I had washed, conditioned, and then I twisted it up. I usually do this to my hair so it'll take a lot of tension off my hair so I can prepare my hair for hairstyles like this. You guys, this Outre Expressions Twisted Up Water Wave, 22 inches, and then the hair color is called Dragon Fruit. I got this hair from my local beauty supply store, you guys, but you can also probably get this from Amazon. All of my products are going to be listed in the description box below. When I seen the color Dragon Fruit, I was like, you know what, I gotta check that out. You guys, please check it out. You know, it is summertime. You know, get into some new colors, get into some new styles, try something different. There's nothing wrong with trying something different. That's the type of person that I am. I like trying new things all the time. Another reason why, loves, that I'm okay with my hair being loose at this moment is because I didn't want a lot of tension on my hair. I didn't want my hair to be too tight while doing this hairstyle, because crocheting and then wrapping the hair around will cause a lot of tension on your hair. So just make sure your base is not as tight. Okay, when crocheting, you're just going to put the loop under, you're going to add the hair, close the knot, pull it through, and then adjust the hair to your liking. When you're adjusting these locks, you're going to make sure there's one section that is longer than the other. The section that's shorter is the part you're going to be wrapping the other part around, if you know what I mean. So as you can see here, I'm pulling out, I'm making sure it's all separated, making sure it's all out, it's not too clamped together. And then we're going to grab the base of our hair with the short end and then wrap it around with the long end. Please make sure it's not too tight on your edges, okay? As you're wrapping, you're going to go ahead and go down. You're going to pull down and just continue to wrap. Make sure it's nice and tight, and then don't do it too tight. You know, just loosen up a little bit. If you want the distressed look, you can go ahead and put your thumb through there, and then it'll make it look more distressed. Other than that, we're just going to wrap. So simple and so easy, my loves. I didn't want these too big, didn't want them too small. You know, I wanted them just right, okay? Again, we are in the front, we are around our edges. Please be careful. Do not make it too tight, my loves. I'm telling you, I love my edges. I love them, and I like to keep them. So let's keep them, okay? Not too tight, okay? Remember, when you're wrapping, just wrap around the base at least like 2 to 3 times, and after that, you just wrap right on down. Just bring it on down, all the way down to the end. Okay, sweethearts, when we're at the very bottom of the part that you want to stop at, you're going to go ahead and start wrapping upward, because now we're going to mend the hair together. We're not going to use hair glue. We're not going to use a lighter. We're just going to grab both of our hands and then squish them together just like that. That's how we're going to lock it in. Simple. And we are done, you guys. This only took us 2 hours. Why? Because we already had our hair twisted up. It was already ready, already prepared. So it's easier to have it prepared and set and ready for you, and then you'll be done in no time. Now I'm about to show you how to take down. Okay, all you're gonna do is pull out the synthetic hair. Just pull it out until you see your natural hair. Once you see your natural hair, you're just gonna continue to pull some of the hair out until you get to your hair, and then you're gonna pull your hair out. Thank God that it is twisted and or braided, and then you're gonna hold that to the side because guess what? We know that this is our hair. So all we're gonna do is pull that to the side, and we're gonna make sure that it's our hair. We're gonna grab some scissors, and we're just going to chop off the synthetic hair. Please don't chop off your hair. And that's how you take down your lock. And these are the final results, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, checking out these beautiful locks. I love them. This was simple, this was easy, and I love the color, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, my loves. Please share and most definitely subscribe. I love you guys, even if I don't know you. I'll see you guys next time. My loves, if you're still here, please hit that subscribe button. We're waiting on you to join the family. See you next time.